Hi. Welcome to a new episode of Photoshop. Today we will learn how to change the color of any object in Photoshop. First we will import the image from saved destination. After exporting the image to the Photoshop, unlock the image layer. Add a new layer. While new layer is selected, create a hue and saturation layer. Here click on this symbol and select a part of the object which you need to change the color. Now move the hue slider left and right until you find your desired color. This is it. It's simple as that. Leave a like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.